All right, easy boys, watch the turn here.
Sure.
They're clear on this side, closing the gate now.
Respiration is steady. Lungs are clear. Noted.
Skin condition?
Clean, no lesions. He looks healthy.
His heart rate is excellent.
Temperature is steady at 101.2.
Good, the growth metrics look strong across the board.
The movement is fluid, no stiffness detected. Agreed. I'll update the mobility section and send the results.
The gait analysis confirms the left hind leg favoring.
Yes, the pressure sensors show a clear imbalance on the heat map.
This bull is healthy, scan complete.
Yep.
Records updated. Sending the clearance now. Verified. Move him to the next bay.
The cleaning is complete, sir. Noted. The records are updated.
All systems are running smoothly, Supervisor.
Excellent. The bulls are well hydrated.
Excellent work. The automatic cycle completed perfectly. The herd is ready for the next phase.
Come on, boys. Easy now, easy. The gate is clear. Bring them through slowly.
The coat is excellent. I've logged the final wash. Proceed to holding pen B.
The sorting process is highly accurate.
Yes, this top-grade leather is ready for the jacket line.
The stitching layout on the sleeves looks perfect. The pocket structure is finalized.
Excellent work. Let's move this to production.
This alignment looks correct. Go ahead and label it for cutting. The edges look perfect on this batch.
Consistency is holding steady. We're good to move these forward.
Is the structure satisfactory?
That is perfect.
Yes, it's perfect. Approved.
The stitching looks perfect on these.
Excellent work, team. We are good to go.
The sterilization process is highly effective. These pieces meet our quality standards. We maintain the solution levels precisely, sir.
They are all within tolerance.
Very consistent. Looks good.
The measurements are precise. This batch is approved for the next stage.
Yes, that's exactly the finish we want. Very smooth.